Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the features, a simple Odoo review, features, work through, and everything you need to know about Odoo. Alright guys, so looking for an all-in-one business tool. In this video, we'll review Odoo in 2025. I'll show you its top features and walk you through how it actually works from CRM to accounting. All right, guys. So basically, what is Odoo? When you just simply search for Odoo, you find Odoo is a suite of open source business apps that cover all your company needs: CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, point of sale, and project management. Odoo is a business management software developed in Belgium. It includes modules for customer relations management, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing, warehouse operations, project management, and inventory management. So basically, if you open up Odoo, you get to find that Odoo is just a simple open source platform that brings all your business tools together. It's used for startups, e-commerce brands, and enterprises around the world. All right, so basically, all you need to do is just simply sign in or log in. As you can see, I've already logged into my Odoo account, and I'm going to be explaining a few things. So when you log into Odoo dashboard, you are shown all your installed applications. You can click on the apps menu here, but remotely, the apps that you have installed would be shown along this line on the dashboard. So you can click on the apps, that's this apps option here, to add more features like invoicing, project management, or social marketing, instead of just having your orders, your invoices, timesheet, address, and connection and security. So you could add project management or social marketing with just one click, and everything runs under the same system, so your data stays synced across all the departments basically. Now the key features of Odoo are the CRM. So, customer relations management, you get to manage leads, deals, and clients visually. If you head back to the Odoo homepage, you can see something like that on here. The CRM, it's an application that you can simply use for your project management or your customer relationship management. You can see an example of what it looks like, code for designs, for your team, proposition, who won what, qualified, and many more things like that. If you scroll a bit more, you can see quotes. You can also see your pipeline at a glance. Each opportunity is listed as a card with all the essential information, and each stage gives an overview. So from new to qualified to proposition. And if you head back, we can check out another of their tool like sales and invoicing. So you can find sales and invoicing on the apps menu here. When you look through, we have sales. You would have to check out for invoicing, but sales should cover the invoicing or inventory in that case. We also have inventory to track your stocks in real time. We have website and e-commerce. We have social marketing. We have timesheets. We have project management. We have documents, point of sales, rentals, accounting. Basically, it helps manage your expenses, your payroll, and reports in one dashboard. Every app connects smoothly, no data duplication, and no third-party chaos. So if you were to open up accounting, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Each of them actually has a very clean experience and user interface that you could take advantage of. There's a video you can watch for it. We have customer invoice, vendor bills you could upload. You could create new customer invoices directly from your dashboard on the accounting menu. So you could do all of this. You could also check out your bill. You could request or write bills to your clients. And if you scroll through, you can see an invoice, what a complete invoice looks like. And then you can enjoy the mobile experience as they have it on mobile as well. So you could sync your information coming from your PC to your mobile app without any issues. Now, another thing I would like to talk about is the pricing of Odoo. So if you were to click on pricing, you'd be taken to the pricing menu where you can find your yearly pricing and your monthly. So they do have a free option for those interested in getting one app and access for unlimited users on Odoo Online, while for the standard, you get all the applications and Odoo Online. And for custom, Odoo Online, Odoo Shift, on-premise, Odoo Studios, multi-company, and external API as well. You can now have a free trial for any of these, but you would be making payments of $10.90 a month instead of 13.60. So Odoo offers a free version with one app and paid plans starting around $25 a year or thereabout. and you can host it on Odoo's cloud or on your own server, which provides greater flexibility for growing businesses. So now, what are the pros and cons of Odoo? The pros are it's an all-in-one system, it's easy to manage, great scalability, and a clean interface, and a wonderful user experience. The cons are the setup can feel complex for beginners if you've never interacted with CRMs or any drag and drop interface or any billing interface as well. And also, the advanced features are only accessible after you've paid for them. So you need to pay for the apps to make use of them. So, guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.